Hello, welcome back. Previously we focused on idioms with rainy words, and if you missed that video you can go into the description box to check out that video. Today we are looking at idioms containing a wider range of weather: sun, rain and clouds. Let's look at our first idiom. First idiom, starting with sun. The phrase everything under the sun means everything that exists or is possible. In other words, it means to try your best and give 100% to achieve a task. It often used with the verb try when speaking in frustration. Example, I've tried everything under the sun to get rid of that stain, but nothing seems to work. Second idiom. Our second idiom is with the word rain. There are two ways of saying this idiom. In the UK, it is used as it never rains, but it pours. But in the US, it is used as when it rains, it pours. This means that bad things always seem to happen at the same time. Example, Amy lost her job on Monday and Alex broke his arm 2 days later. When it rains, it pours. Third idiom. The phrase rain or shine means in whatever weather conditions. In other words, we often use it to comment on someone who is hardworking, always does something even when the weather is good or bad, and always fulfilling a promise. Examples, he's out there at 6 o'clock in the morning, rain or shine. I'll be there, I promise, come rain or shine. Fourth idiom. If you keep or save money for a rainy day, it means you save money in case something happens in the future that requires the money. Or you save money if something bad happens in the future. Example, we'll spend some of it now on a nice holiday and save the rest for a rainy day. Fifth idiom. Cloud hanging over. Someone, him, her, etc. This idiom means someone who has a cloud hanging over them feels unhappy and worried and is unable to enjoy the present. Example, these days I feel like I have a cloud hanging over me. I would love to know if your language has an equivalent saying for this. Please comment below if it does. Also, please don't forget to like the video